Yeah, namaste student. The first problem is 20 ampere current is flowing in a long straight wire. The intensity of magnetic field at a distance of 10 centimeter from the wire will be. Okay, so what is given for us? First we will note down current I equal to 20 ampere, and at a distance of 10 centimeter we have to find. So that is equal to 10 into 10 power minus 2 meters. And formula to find the magnetic field intensity V is equal to, we have mu naught I by 2 pi r. Mu naught I by 2 pi r. Now substitute, mu naught is nothing but 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. Current flowing is 20 ampere divided by 2 pi as it is into distance is 10 into 10 power minus 2. Now pi get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 twos are get cancelled. Here 10 ones are 10 twos are you can cancel, which is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 7 plus 2, because this we have taken to the numerator, which is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 5, 4 into 10 power minus 5 Tesla. So this is the answer for the first question. So you can check your MCQs and find this. Okay, the next question is, in a circular coil of radius r, the magnetic field at the center is proportional to. Now we have a circular coil of radius r. What is the magnetic field at the center is proportional to? In terms of radius they have given. So if we observe the formula of this, B is equal to mu naught, we have Ni by 2R, mu naught Ni by 2R. Okay. Here I is constant, N is constant, and mu naught is constant, 2 is constant. So indirectly with respect to this, B is proportional to 1 by R. This is the answer for the second one. Now the next question is, to produce a magnetic field of pi Tesla, they have given magnetic field B is equal to pi Tesla at the center of a circular loop, a singular circular loop of diameter 1 meter. So diameter is 1 meter, therefore radius will become 0.5 meter. 0.5 meter. Now the current flowing through the loop, we have to find what is the current flowing through the loop. Now you should observe the formula here. B is equal to mu naught Ni by 2A. The magnetic field at the center B is equal to mu naught Ni by 2A. Here N is nothing but 1. There is one circular coil. So therefore mu naught is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. N is equal to 1. Current flowing we have to find, and in the denominator 2 into 0.5. And they gave B is how much? Pi. So if I equate this to pi, what we can do here? Pi get cancelled. And 2 into 0.5, you just cross multiply, that will become 1. Then I is equal to, see this I is equal to 1 by 4 into 10 power minus 7. Or I can write this as 100 into 10 power 5 by 4. So 4 ones are 425. So that is the answer. So 25 into 10 power 5 ampere. 10 power 5 ampere. Or this can be also written as 2.5 into 10 power 6 ampere. Okay, this is the fourth question. In the Bohr atom model of hydrogen atom, an electron revolves around the nucleus. See here. So if you take an electron is revolving around the nucleus here. In a circular orbit of radius, how much they gave? 5.11 into 10 power minus 11 at a frequency of 6.8 into 10 power 15 hertz. So what is the magnetic field set up at the center of the orbit? Here we have to find what is a magnetic field. So what is given here? Radius r is equal to 5.11 into 10 power minus 11 meter. And frequency, here we can write the number that this frequency is equal to 6.8 into 10 power 15 hertz. Okay, and only one coil, that is one electron is revolving here, that is one orbit. So we use the formula I is equal to Ne. Ne is nothing but the frequency, E is the charge of electron. So 6.8 into 10 power 15 into E is nothing but 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So if you multiply this 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 and 6.8, we are getting, let us maintain this as it is, because directly I can substitute in the formula. B is equal to formula mu naught I by 2r, because only one orbit. So mu naught is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. In the place of I, as it is, I am substituting, that is 1.6.8 into 10 power 15 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 whole divided by 2r, that is 2 into 5.11 into 10 power minus 11. Just simplify this. After simplifying, you will get 13.4 Tesla. So this is the answer. Thank you.